Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Free backgrounds for Zoom. Zoom offers a few default image options to choose from, but it also allows you to upload your own image. Here are some free virtual background images that you can try for your next Zoom meeting.
Let's help you make your mark.
While Zoom doesn't natively have a background blur option, it does let you change backgrounds easily. You can achieve a similar effect to that of a blurred background by capturing your background, manually blurring that picture, and then applying it as your virtual background.
Let's help you make your mark.
Navigate to the Virtual Background tab. If you do not see this tab, log in to the Zoom website, go to Meeting Settings, and make sure Virtual Background button is toggled on under the Meeting tab. If you do not have a green screen, Zoom recommends streaming from a location with a solid background color.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Using Virtual Background. Sign in to Zoom Desktop Client. Click Settings. Click Virtual Background. Click on an image to select the desired virtual background or add your own image by clicking +ADD image. To disable virtual background, choose the option None.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.